What's good, YouTube? We back here with another reaction video. Before we get started, we got that like, comment, subscribe button. Make sure you turn on all your notifications, all right? We got refresh by tap. Let's tap in to see what this video is in. It sounds like a more serious song, too, by him.
ขอสวสเตนหน้าทามีนเรื่องทมจองเพียสาสมานี่รอดอยเธอกางในออดเธอกาดันเธอเตอร์นา
Okay, what shoes he got on?
ไปสองสาก็เป็นแมนเตยมาดันเธอเตอร์นามีนไปยาเตมู
It's like a little home edit type video. It's still fire though.
เรื่องลอยแต่ไปโยมอดลอยยังปีบาจัดนาอดลอยยังปีบาจัดนาจังให้เธอเป็นคำเธอกาคอมปรังตามปิดไงดอยยกปีบลำตัวบลบขมิ้นซาตัดนาปัญหาโนวิตัวตรองทาเราดอยยังเธอกาในอดเธอกาปัญหาเตมัวเรื่องลอยแต่ไปโยมอดลอยยังปีบาจัดนาจ้องเมียนไปเบลีฟตัวคลุนจิ้มตัวกัดโอกาดไตรนึงมาคลุนไอดิสโบ
Who got him in his bag? Who got Tep in his bag? What are you talking about, son? He said, I'm so tired, I don't know where to go. You work every day, but today you don't work, you don't know where to go. You talking about life, all right.
สมานี่รอดอยเธอกางในอดเธอกาดันเธอเตอร์นามือหมกด้วยน้ำใบสองสาก็เป็นแมนเตยมาดันเธอเตอร์นามีนไปยาหาเตมัวเรื่องลอยแต่ไปโยมอดลอยยังปีบาจัดนาอดลอยยังปีบาจัดนาจังให้เธอเป็นคำเธอกาคอมปรังตามปิดไงดอยยกปีบลำตัวบลบขมิ้นซาตัดนาปัญหาโนวิตัวตรองทาเราดอยเธอกางในอดเธอกามีนไปยาหา
Oh, he's talking about money issues, money problems. You feel me? Like, and that's what life's about. It's about ups and downs, and we keep God first. Everything else will work out. I mean, on His time, and not ours, but His time. And slowly but surely, slow motion is better than no motion. Always remember that shit.
เตมัวเรื่องลอยแต่ไปโยมอดลอยยังปีบาจัดนาจ้องเมียนไปเบลีฟตัวคลุนจิ้มโตฉลองขาดกัดโอกาดไตรมาคลุนไอดิสโบเรื่องกัด
You got the speakers on the boat?
จ้องสตูดไตร
What?
คลุนในยังปรับชรานาเดลิดเรื่องจับโลดเรื่องทำไมกงควาปีสมได้สัตว์ไรติงโยบะไรโกยคนปรักไพรโกยคนปรักไพร
Hold on, what did he say right here? So like he's talking about his mind be full of thoughts, how he want to go on like some therapeutic type adventures, whether it's going on a walk, going fishing, riding a bike, riding a dirt bike. You feel me? He said he tell himself, I tell you a lot, delete old stories, upload new stories. You feel me? People show what they want to show you too. Don't worry about the words of animals, smoke a cigarette, admire the forest. What? Yeah, my boy stressing, man. I just hope everything we go through something, hope he get through. Oh God, oh glory to God.
จับโลดเรื่องทำไมกงควาปีสมได้สัตว์ไรติงโยบะไรโกยคนปรักไพรโกยคนปรักไพรจ้องใจห่อหาโดยบะไซจ้องมีกำลังคลั่งโดยดมไรจ้องใจจะทนด้วยสไตรไปคลานากดเฮลฮา
What kind of shoes are those, Shad? They look familiar. Nah, that's a good little view right there, little lake vibes. You feel me? Free your mind, get your thoughts together.
ในเขมรจะจังเชยชายก็ได้สมัยตัวทองปะปันนาบานเนี่ยมันจับดามดังกาเฮ้ยดังกาเฮ้ยจัดเนื้อสติลเนื้อกระไดเนื้อชายจรลแต่แช่ปังปลายเอ้ยนะฮะสมานี่เราตัดจรัวหายเรื่องคลาบจัดตลกเอ้ย
Riding dirt bikes. I like dirt bikes. W dirt bikes. W for me, also. You were saying how, basically if you got dreams, they won't work if you don't start. I mean, the time is now. Time is now. We got 24 hours in a day. It's about what we do. I mean, it's about what we do. Unless we want it or we don't. It means how bad we want it.
เอาจอบคลังเป็ดบอกเลยแกยังจีโรเปยเงี้ยเมนไปเวลีจบ
Got a car park.
อยู่มาดองเติบล้างครูเนินนอกแกก็ป้องแต่ยามไม่
Good vibes, good scenes right here. You know what I mean?
ในก็จบอะไรมีช่อง
The scenery out there.
แต่สเพื่อมายังมันนับไปตีกรองอยู่มาดองเติบล้างครูก็สไลด์ก็ทมก็เตยก็ร้องมองโรคเลยมองใจเลย តតមានใจមកមានចូលជីវិតមនុស្សណាឈ្នះទាំងអង្គុយ
What is
ពេល
that?
ខ្លះក៏តម្រូវយើងឈរទៅឃើញពិភពលោក
Gotta get a
ទៅ
professional
ថា
massage.
មនុស្សយើងតទៅចូលបកតិចទៅវាហ៊ានចាយលឿន
Got the Porsche.
អត់លុយយើងពិបាកចិត្តណាចឹងហើយទៅបង្ខំធ្វើការខំប្រឹងតាំងពីថ្ងៃដល់យប់ពីព្រលឹមទៅប្រឡប់គ្មានសារទឹកណា
Just working hard from day to night, man. Doing the dust. Come on.
បញ្ហានោះវាតត្រង់ថារដខ្ញុំធ្វើការថ្ងៃនេះអត់ធ្វើការគ្មានបញ្ហាទេមួយរឿងលុយតែបើខ្ញុំអត់លុយខ្ញុំពិបាកចិត្តណាចង់មានពេលវេលាផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនជិះម៉ូតូឆ្លងខេត្តកាត់អូកាត់ព្រៃនឹងអាមកខ្លួនឯងនេះសម្បូររឿងគិតបែបប្រហែលពិបាកចិត្តហើយបើចង់ស្ទួយត្រីប្រាប់ខ្លួនឯងខ្ញុំប្រាប់ច្រើនណា delete រឿងចាប់ឡូតរឿងថ្មីកុំខ្វល់ពីសម្ដីសត្វប្រៃទីងយោបារីកូចគុនព្រឹកព្រៃ
Come on, yes. Come on, Tap. Fresh. Yeah. Nah, he walked on it. It's like a chill vibe, laid back type. I mean, like a side song with me, but nah. The song's called Refresh by Tap. The thing is, you know what I mean? That's like refreshing something. I mean, it's brand new. I mean, refreshing. It's refreshing. You know the track. All right. WW Tech. W Tech. Let's see what these comments is saying. Let's see what these comments is talking about. Transition. Well, they say who the fans? Thumbs up. Supporters. Remember, y'all. Hey, the supporters, my fans. Big Islander, like one. Let's protest. What's going on? So this is more like the refreshing, like something that people can relate to. I'm not gonna lie to you. Refresh. Everybody saying refresh. These comments are different. Some of them are different. Oh, so someone said song full now or something like that. Did he record this before chat? Or what's the lyric? Support chat. Don't be disappointed. Listen to new songs. We play with new flow. New songs, we play with new flows, man. I've heard a few songs from him too. They're not bad. They're good. He must be an artist out there from where he's from. Definitely an artist over there. That's tough. Shoot, I go, support that. Watch that, hit that like, comment, subscribe button, turn on all your notifications. I mean, support is free. Always make sure you pray. Pray every day. Give him some of your time, glory to God to give us this gift to be able to react and make videos, use your humor, etc. I'm gonna catch you on the next video.